Hi, good morning and welcome to the health segment on the breakfast show. I am Dr. Nakuya Namfaya. I do hope you have been staying healthy and eating well. I do hope you have been keeping yourselves healthy. So this week we are going to talk about a very exciting topic. It's a topic that affects a lot of people. It affects many of us. If you're not affected directly, you could have a family member that has this condition. And so it's important for us to know more about it. We are going to talk about diabetes this week. So what is diabetes and how does it come about? In the subsequent days to come, we are going to talk about what are some of the signs of diabetes and how is diabetes managed? How can you manage your diabetes at home? And we'll also talk about some of the complications that diabetes comes with and also how you can prevent yourself from having diabetes. So today we'll discuss what is diabetes. So diabetes is a medical condition that arises from having a high blood sugar, basically. So diabetes comes about, there are several things that cause diabetes, or several things in the body that happen for you to have diabetes. So some of the things that happen is that, one of the things that happens is that your pancreas is an organ that is found in your body. Your pancreas stops producing enough insulin. And when this happens, the insulin that the pancreas produces normally controls your blood sugar. But when you have low insulin, you end up having diabetes. And the other thing that happens when you have diabetes is that you have insulin resistance. So what insulin resistance is that your muscles or your cells in the body are not able to take up the glucose that you take in, or the sugar that you take in. And that means that your sugar in the body is going to be high. That is how diabetes comes about. So as you may know, there are two types of diabetes. There's diabetes type 1 and diabetes type 2. So in type 1, most of the times it's because the pancreas is not producing enough insulin or no insulin at all. But in today's topic, we will focus more on type 2 diabetes, and that is the one that comes about when there is less insulin being produced, and also your cells are not taking up enough glucose from your body. So we can say that diabetes type 2 or diabetes in general is a disease where there's a lot of blood sugar in your body, but your cells are not taking up that sugar and not utilizing it. And so you have a continuous elevation of blood of glucose in your body. So that is how diabetes comes about. And there are so many complications that come with having high blood sugar, and we'll talk about those on a different day. So be sure to continue watching the breakfast show and continue to watch Community TV. So this is all for today. I do hope you have learned something. Today we have talked about what diabetes is, that it's a condition where there is elevated blood sugar in your body, and how it comes about is your pancreas not producing enough insulin, or your cells not taking up the glucose from your blood. So thank you so much for watching.